Today we're going to be checking out the 1820 by Adams Homes, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the 1820, which I think is one of the top selling models that Adams Homes builds. In fact, it's usually the model home. It's the floor plan of the model home that they usually feature. So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,820 square feet, just like the name explains. And if you've seen some of our videos before about Adams Homes, they're doing something that's a little bit different now. So make sure you guys stick around till the end. I'm gonna give you some of that information in terms of pricing, incentives, and some new things that they're doing in this market to try to stay competitive and give buyers the most bang for the buck. So let's head inside and take a look. All right, so we'll start off up here in the front of the home. As soon as you walk in off to the side, this is gonna be the 4th bedroom or an office. You've got the French doors right here, and there is a closet. So this technically is a bedroom. You'll notice that they've got a vaulted or somewhat semi-vaulted ceiling in here, so you've got a little bit more space. They've got a 5-panel door with a smooth finish, nice baseboards. And you'll notice as soon as you walk in, there's tile, but then it transitions to carpet. So traditionally, this is what Adams would finish their homes like. One of the things and pivots that they've made is now, at least in this community, they're finishing all the homes with tile in all the living areas. So it's not an upgrade, it's actually something that they're transitioning to as a standard finish. Is gonna be all tile through here. So that's pretty good. I think a lot of people have a preference of tile as opposed to carpet in the living area. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about that. Right here, off to the side, you've got your dining room. So this is a good open concept layout, but everything's still compartmentalized enough where there is some separation between rooms. So we'll go over here, we'll check out this side of the house first, then we'll move our way over here to the master suite. So high ceilings, they've got some recessed lighting in here. And this is gonna be the 2nd and 3rd bedroom, 4th bedroom was up front. This is I would say, probably a 10 by 10. Standard size closet with swing out door. This is actually the door for the air handler in this room. I've seen this floor plan before where this door was actually on the other side in the dining room. This particular one is in this bedroom. I'm not sure if there's a reason for that. So then over here, you've got your 2nd bathroom. Single sink, Formica tops, and then the other bedroom on this wing of the house. I would say it's about the same size as that one we just looked at, with the exception of the closet. The closet in here is going to be a little bit smaller. So follow me up here. I'll take you over into the kitchen in a minute and tell you something else that Adams is doing now that's a little bit different. So here's the master suite. It's a nice sized bedroom. They've got recessed lighting, high ceilings in here as well. So I feel like it's a really nice use of space. It's not a huge room, but it's definitely big enough. Nice sized walk-in closet here. Dual sink vanity. And then a nice garden tub in the corner. And then your showers over here. All right, so let's go check out the kitchen. And in case you're wondering, this particular community that we're in is in Palm Bay. It's called St. John's Preserve. Some of the lots have water views. Some of them are just backing up to another house. You've got an option on, obviously, depending on the lot, that's gonna affect potential lot premium. But Adams builds throughout Brevard County in different neighborhoods. So if you guys have questions about that, drop a comment, or you can reach out, you can call, text, or email. I've got our contact information down in the description. So kitchen area, one of the things that Adams is also doing now to, I guess, compete with some of the builders that are offering more upgrades is they're offering granite or quartz tops now, which wasn't something they did before. These are actually like a laminate Formica top, because Adams was focused on affordability and budget, trying to keep the price of the home as low as possible while still offering, in my opinion, some of the best incentives that I've seen from a new construction builder, which I'm gonna go over with you here in just a minute. One of the things that I like that Adams has always done is they do the staggered cabinets above the microwave with crown molding. I think it's a really nice look. Now, just like most other new builders, they don't come with a refrigerator. It does have this niche out here, which is kind of nice, so it keeps your refrigerator off and recessed a little bit. And then through here, you've got your laundry room and the garage. So you got your water heater, your storm shutters. There is a pull down attic access up there as well. And in case you're wondering, these homes are all concrete block construction. And in this particular community, St. John's Preserve, everything is on city water and city sewer. There's no septic and there's no well. Actually, some of the homes in here do have well. I believe this one might too for the irrigation. So the sprinkler system is off a well, but your drinking water is gonna be city. So let's talk about price and incentives. So to recap, this is the 1820 Adams Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,820 square feet. This one priced as shown is priced at $356,800. Now the incentives right now, you've got $5,000 of flex cash and a $1,000 deposit. So it's only $1,000 to put the deposit on the home, which is a fraction of what some other builders are offering. Now these incentives usually come with a stipulation that you have to use the preferred lender. So you're gonna get very similar terms a lot of times. One of the things you just wanna look out for is lender fees. Now there's also some promotions that Adams runs quite frequently that I think is one of the best promotions that you can get in real estate right now. And really, in my opinion, one of the best ways to find a deal is the interest rate incentive. So essentially, you can get a 4.5% interest rate on a 30-year loan for the entire life of the loan. Typically, that's gonna be on an FHA or VA. If you're a conventional buyer, they do have interest rate incentives as well. They're typically a little higher, like maybe 5, 5.25. Still an extremely good value, especially in this market. So $3,000 in flex cash, seller paid closing costs, lower interest rate. Some of the homes too, if you're early enough in construction, when you contract, you can get a discount and some money towards some additional upgrades. So if you want to upgrade your tops or do some other things, that's a great way to take advantage and do that. If you guys have any questions, drop those in the comments. Please reach out if you have any interest in this or other communities. We would love to help you. You can call, text, or email. I've got our contact information down in the description. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, show some love, let us know you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out one of these videos next. I'll see you next time.